I touch that fine for you. I do that 3-4 times and can I testify for you? I told I like you, that bitch I do it. All that I'm around, you're scared to do. I'm not. As long as you joking now here for me, I ain't got it. My bitch scheming, looting, hide your body. As long as you dreaming about me, ain't no problem. I don't got nobody just with you right now. But the truth, I look better under you. I can't lose when I'm with you. How can us lose and miss the moment? You just too important. Nobody do body like you do. I can't lose when I'm with you. I can't just lose and miss the moment. You just too important. Nobody do body like you do. You do. In the top tier right with you, I feel like Scarface. Like that white bitch with the bob, I'll be your main one. Let's take this argument back up to my place. Sex remind you I'm not violent on you day one. We had shit, yeah. It was magic, yeah. Smash and grab shit, yeah. Nasty habits take a hold when you're not here. Ain't a home when you're not here. The room when you're not here. I'm saying I can't lose when I'm with you. How can I lose and miss the moment? You just too important. Nobody do body like you do. I can't lose when I'm with you. How can I snooze and miss the moment? You just too important. Nobody do body like you do. You do.
Use your first card. So guys, I'm back home, but I've been back home. I even prepared noodles, but I have another appointment in like less than 20 minutes, so I have to go now. So I'm just gonna leave my noodles and come back and warm it up or whatever. But yeah, this vlog, I don't even know what I'm doing. It's supposed to be like a cinematic aesthetic vlog, so I hope you guys really enjoy it. Other than that, yeah, see you guys there. I don't know if I can film the interview. It's like a mini interview. It's not even for like an important job. It's just for like March break. Like I just want to do something like volunteering but paid, you know, for like day camps and stuff, because you know there's like spring break. So yeah, I'm gonna go interview for that so I can work during the spring break. I don't want to be late for my interview because that doesn't say much stuff about me. So yeah, my mom is calling, so I'm gonna pick that and call you back later and talk to you guys later. Bye. Going now. You know she's supposed to come in, but like she's so stupid she can't come. Oh my god, you guys, look at this snow. It's a whole mountain of snow. I'm pretty sure that's taller than me. I'm pretty sure if I'm wanting to go in there, I'd literally like sink in the snow. But yeah, see you guys. Okay, you guys, interview done. Oh my god, that was so like easy and simple and quick. But yeah, I'm waiting for my sister. She's also doing hers too, apparently. So yeah. You guys, I'm back home. I'm literally just watching YouTube. Here's the interview. I have nothing else to do today. So I'm just gonna chill. And then why are you just filming this? I don't want to judge. So yeah, because I think I'm in my YouTube era. Like I'm watching YouTube more than I'm watching Netflix or Prime Video or whatever there is else to watch. Right now I'm watching Stephanie Walker. So let me show you guys. You guys are watching me and I'm watching other people. We love teamwork. We love the support, you know? I really need it.
Tour. So over here is literally just like a closet. There's a curtain. You can open, close it. We have a mirror right here that we're gonna use to check out how we're looking, how we're feeling. We have Nana. We have a double bed that's a little bit of a mess because we're starting on. They're just behind.
Yeah,
so
that's it,
anyways.
guys.
And then we have
If I have anything else to do, I will vlog that. But as for now, I'm done. So this is like goodbye.
The sun is here, Sha, to be fair.
Bye, guys.
Yeah. So much to live for, baby. Let's not rush into it now. Let's not rush into it. When we get to it, we can give it all that we got.
So guys, it's day 2. Another day. We're in the bank to run more errands. This week is just like an errands week. So yeah. My mom just came back from the US. So yeah, we're just here chilling. Came to get some stuff, you guys. I got the heat protector because I'm about to get my hair done, and there's gonna be a lot of heat being used. Oh, you actually so guys, back home. Look at my hair, you guys.
This thing was too.
A mess. So I'm basically gonna do my hair tomorrow. So I can't wait for that. It's too late to do it tonight because like today that's all I went to get. I went to go get heat protected. I went to go get I don't know what I got. I don't remember what I got. But I got a lot of stuff in my hair. So I'm going to be doing them tomorrow morning. So that's going to be a whole different video on its own. Or I could make it in this video. Who knows? But yeah. I can't wait to glow up a bit. But see you guys. Bye. Okay, you guys, it's another day, another slay, period. Anyways, today I have to go to her beauty supply store to get like the final things that I need for my hair, and then I'm gonna get back home and do my hair because I have someone is coming by 5 so I can braid their hair too. So like I have a lot to do concerning hair today. So yeah, I just got dressed, you know, it's giving I'm a celebrity hiding from paparazzi. But you know, it's whatever. My sisters and my mom, they're outside packing snow. I wasn't gonna do that, first of all. So yeah, I'm gonna go get my hair stuff. I'm pretty sure it's like really cold outside, so I'm just gonna like mentally prepare. I'll see you guys. I'm gonna vlog the process, I think. I'm not sure. Depends on how I'm feeling. But yeah, see you guys. I'm done braiding other people's hair. Time to braid mine. So basically I'm gonna be attempting to do a sew-in. My first time ever. Yeah, my first time ever doing a sew-in. So this is gonna be crazy. So yeah, I'm gonna just do it. I don't think I'm gonna talk while doing my hair because I need to focus since it's my first time. So see you guys.